For me, it's always better to be professional. I mean, I know in some cases, kakainlaban talaga, or you can't help but to fall in love with someone, and you're at your in or at your workplace. But sometimes it's uh, maybe just choose an appropriate setting or area. But for me, because I always want to be professional when I'm on the set and when I'm working. But yeah, it's true that what they said, na may nagkakainlaban talaga, and it can't be helped, especially if you work like 8 hours a day with the same person every day, and it could happen.
Thank you, Paolo. Kim? And, ganda naman ang soundtrack.
Nag-walkout na si Angeline. Siguro naman, mas importante, hindi pa siguro may iwasan yung ganun. Kasi lalo na nagkakakilanlan kayo ng ilang oras sa isang araw na siya lang yung kausap mo. Pero mas importante siguro na mas maging maayos yung trabaho mo kaysa yung personal mong buhay yung atupagin mo. Siguro magsasuffer yung work, katulad namin or sa office, hindi ka makapag-concentrate sa office kapag inuna mo to kaysa dito. So parang mas priority pa rin syempre kung ano yung pinasok mo doon sa trabaho bago yung bonus na lang kung may added feelings. Pero mas importante pa rin talaga kung ano yung dahilan ng pagpasok mo doon sa trabaho, like office or like workplace with anything. Yun. Mas malalaman mo pag hindi na kayo magkasama. Doon na natin ma-gauge siguro.
Parang may gustong
Pero
idagdag
if we're speaking as our characters, it's a different thing. Medyo ibang level si BMC and si BMC actually.
Kay Secretary Kim, ibang level.
So, sana abangan rin ng mga viewers natin.
Tsaka mapapaisip ka, mayroon ba talagang lalaki na katulad ni BMC na ganun siya sa secretary niya? So parang it's very romantic na type of book.
Okay, thank you so much. Now, let's go to our next question. This is for you, Kim Chu. Ito ay galing kay Jay of Certified Kapamilya. We all know na this type of character is your bread and butter. But how is this character similar to you in real life, and how is she different?
Sa totoo lang, sobrang ninenervyos ako dahil parang ang taas ng expectations sa akin ng mga tao when it comes to rom-com. Pero to be honest, when we started taping this, What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, hindi talaga ako 100% fully happy or fully myself. Kaya thankful ako kay Direk Chad dahil tinulungan niya ako, sila Paolo, and everyone else to be myself. So, I tried and okay naman siguro. Okay naman kaya para sa ko, Direk, tulungan mo ako. Or Pao, tulungan mo ako. Ganyan. Kasi hindi talaga siya madali when we started doing this project. Pero sa awa ng Diyos, ayun na siya. So, ayun na siya. Ito na kami. And I tried na maging extra. So, madali man siya para sa akin dati. Pero ngayon, medyo mahirap siya ng konti. But I tried my best. And sa tulong ng lahat, everyone else, okay naman.
So, hindi totoo yung iniisip ng lahat na porket ang dami mo ng rom-com na ginawa, madali na lang ito para sa'yo.
Oo, pag isang beses mo ka siya ginawa and marami ng kwento, hindi mo na mapaghiwa-hiwalay, baka magiging pare-parehos. So, buti na lang with the guidance ni Direk Chad, nababawasan niya yung Kim Chu to Secretary Kim. So, nahihiwalay naman. So, yun. Excited na mapanood ka ng mga tao.
And yung second part naman ng question niya na gaano raw ka-similar and ka-different si Kim Chu kay Secretary Kim?
Gaano ka-similar? Siguro mahal niya yung family niya and priority niya lagi yung pamilya niya more than sa sarili niya. And yun. And goal-oriented din siya when it comes to ganun. So parang siguro doon ko na lang kinuha yung core ng pagiging Secretary Kim and Kim at the same time.
Eh, yung difference nyo naman daw.
Difference namin, in love siya. Love si Secretary Kim. Si Kim, steady lang.
Steady lang. Steady lang. Okay, thank you so much. Napaka-honest ng mga answers nila today. Okay, ngayon naman pupunta tayo sa ating next question. This one is for Paolo. This is from Jay ulit from Certified Kapamilya. Sa original story, may pagka-narcissistic si Vice Chairman. Pero kung ikaw ang tatanungin, without spoiling anything, ano-anong traits ang nagustuhan mo kay Vice Chairman? At gaano siya ka-Paolo?
Actually, it's very different from me and me as a person. Because first of all, wala akong idea sa corporate office setting. Second is, hindi ako ganun ka-narcissist like BMC. But the nice thing about the creatives and Direct Chat, they tried to ground it and make it as realistic as possible, yung character ni BMC. So yung narcissism niya, medyo over the top pa rin, pero hindi naman sobrang over the top like the original. They tried to ground, it was grounded even more para mas makarelate rin and hindi umo-OA sa panlasa nating mga Pinoy.
So, saktong GGSS lang, si Vice Chairman.
GGSS pa rin, pero hindi naman sobra-sobra.
Yes, so again, Filipino culture, GGSS, gwapong-gwapo sa sarili, si Vice Chairman. Alright, thank you so much, Paolo. And now we are down to our last question. And of course, this is for Kim Pao. This is from Jean Trilliana of Malaya. Kim and Paolo, the show is about a brash bachelor and a super secretary. If you were to use the title, but with a twist, can you answer, what's right with Kim? What's right with Paolo? What is right about your tandem? Thank you. So, bilang kayo to, Kim as in, what's right with Kim Chu? Tsaka what's right with Paolo Avelino? And what's right with Kim Pao? May twist.
Thank you for the beautiful question. Well, if we're gonna put it in our real lives, I think what I would say is
what if gawin natin, ikaw yung mag-answer ng what's right with Kim, tapos si Kim yung mag-answer ng what's right with Paolo, tapos kayong dalawa yung mag-answer ng what's right with your tandem, with Kim Pao?
What's right with Kim right now? I think everything's going well with her. Like, everything, her career, siguro sa isang aspeto lang yung hindi, pero lahat naman ng bagay is going well for her, and I think she knows that, and I think she just has to be more positive about it. But everything, I don't see anything wrong with Kim.
What's right with Kim? Everything.
Everything. She's beautiful. She has a wonderful and a beautiful career as well.
Thank you. Would you like to add anything, Paolo? Okay na yan. Yes, everything. Okay. Napakamot si Kim Chu dun sa everything. Ikaw naman, Kim, what's right with Paolo?
What's right with Paolo is he's perfect. Perfect. Parang dito sa palabas na to, lagi niya sinasabi perfect. So, he's what's right with Paolo. Everything's going well din sa kanya. Ang dami niyang everything na nasa kamay niya. He's very professional. He's very funny now. What's right about Paolo is he's being himself, and that's what makes him right. Yeah.
Oh, ganda. And the last part of the question, what's right with your tandem? What's right with Kim Pao?
Hirap, no? Ang easy ng tanong, pero parang ang hirap. What's right with Kim Pao is we have a show on March 18. What's wrong with Secretary Kim? Maraming aabangan. And in a few weeks time na yan sa View. And it's a big project from View and Dreamscape. And it's a Philippine adaptation of a very big hit sa South Korea. So we are very blessed. That's why we're right as Kim Pao.
And I think that question is better asked sa X or sa Facebook or sa socials ng mga Kim Paos more than us, because I don't really think we have a definite answer for that. But if we ask the people that question, I think they would know why it clicked or why they're shipping the tandem.
Thank you so much. Yes. And yun na nga, that is our last question.